Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner for the week of September 26th through October 2nd. And I'm going to be using the stickers from Etsy that I purchased. I printed them, I cut them, and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna put this beautiful candle arrangement first. It says autumn. I think it's super lovely. And this planner that I'm using is called Beauty in Florals. It is a classic size vertical happy planner. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. As you can see, I have printed so many images because I'm going to be using this for more than just one spread. I have a feeling. I think this is so beautiful and lovely. I don't think I'm gonna be able to stop myself. So here we go. I'm gonna put those reefs down. I think that's so stunning. I love that there's like blues and browns and creams and and this color palette, because that's really what I like the most when it comes to fall colors. And I do like the copper as well, so which is not here, but maybe next time. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these little blue plants and add a leaf to that one, and that's just to bring in a bit more blue to the spread. As you can see, this will be going quite fast because all of my stickers are pre-cut. I sized them accordingly to what I wanted, so I already kind of have an idea what I wanted to do. Okay, I'm gonna add some brown boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans because again, fall, right? And this brown matches so perfectly with the brown and the accessories and blankets and so on. So I'm gonna add a few of these so I can create to-do lists. That's about the only reason why I'm putting those in. And then I can always put more stuff in these beautiful like boards if I needed to, which is great. And then I need small ones for my work hours because that's how I keep track of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and need 4 of those, I think. So let's take a look. Oh no, let's do that. And this. Okay, and then one more. Okay, I do think this looks great. I don't know about you guys, but I am loving this. But I've been loving a little bit of a fuller schedule, or a fuller spread, I should say, because my schedule is so full. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple little trinkets here and there to fill in the spots. So I'm gonna add these little blue plants to or blueberries to the brown boxes to kind of adore them, because I want to bring in that blue definitely into a spread so it stands out. And I don't think I need a lot of it. I just need like tidbits to make sure that they stand out. I'm gonna add a cup of coffee because yeah, it's fall. I need my hot coffee. I'm gonna add a couple little things like a leaf. I'm gonna add a shoe and another shoe. So we have some fashion. And for now, I'm gonna go ahead and make, cut this excess off and make my bullet points in these boxes. So I'm gonna take my sepia pen, which is a felt pen. I like using this the most for my bullet points, and that's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so one box is done, now the next, and so on until all of them are done. You guys, I can't believe that September just flew by so quickly. It's practically gone, and I feel like I was just doing the September monthlies and it was still August. Holy smokes. And in Chicago, definitely the weather turned on the first day of autumn. So the day before it was like almost 80, and on the 22nd, which is today, it's like in the low 60s, almost 50s. Like, holy smokes. I don't know how that happens, but I guess the Mother Nature knows, right? Okay, now that these bullet points are done, I'm gonna add, I wanna add a couple little things still, but I wanna add them let's see. Okay, I wanna add this blue, so maybe up here. Okay, that looks good actually. Maybe I can add like a leaf, like so, that's good. Oh, cotton, that's a good idea. Yeah, and then I'm gonna add like a bag or something to play on that fashion next to shoes. So let's add one more leaf. And I'm pretty much done with the spread. I hope you guys had fun watching it. I know it's a little bit different. I am super excited about this. To me, it looks gorgeous and stunning, and I can't wait to use it. I always have so much fun when these come out the way I imagine them. Thank you so much for joining again, and have a great week. I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Bye!